predatory fish are the most dangerous in different oceans and rivers, and their danger lies in the fact that they are not only limited to other fish that live with them underwater, but they also pose a great danger to humans if they have the opportunity to reach one of them. And in this video, we're going to review 10 of the most dangerous fish. Anglerfish. The fish of the sea goblin, a species of customary species, which, in addition to the sea goblin, includes 4 other species, under which about 20 species inhabit the bottoms of tropical and temperate waters of most oceans and seas, including the Mediterranean and Black Seas. This species is a bony fish, and one of the largest species of seafish, where it has a large flat head and a wide mouth, and on its head a semi-taste tempted by the young fish, and the fish of the fish derived his name from the excess that stands from the front of his head, which he uses to catch his food, because it resembles the bait placed in the hook. The sea goblin's body is naked and white and can change its color quickly according to the degree of light and the nature of the surrounding medium, while the average length is between 1.5 meters. The members of this very predatory and very voracious species are fed by various marine fish, small cartilage fish and others, and the sea goblin is raised by its prey to live at the bottom of the water without any for the first fork of its dorsal fin, which vibrates constantly and looks to the eye like an animal. When the prey is close to the bait, it opens up very quickly, swallowing it. This species is also fed, sometimes with fish living in the water mass and birds lying on the surface of the water. Pacu fish. It is a freshwater fish in South America, found in most rivers and streams in the Amazon and Orinoco River basins in the Amazonian lowlands. But it has also been reported to be found in Papua New Guinea, where it has been artificially introduced to help the local fishing industry. Pacu is associated with carnivorous piranha, both of which share the same Sira salmon, although they have different dietary habits. Piranha is a carnivorous species, while Pacu is a continent species and a continent collecting chord, an organism that feeds on animal and plant materials. One of the most important rodents on Earth is man. The difference is evident in the structure of their teeth. Piranha, with very sharp teeth, is known to have square, straight teeth, which are frighteningly similar to humans. Pacu uses its tusks mainly to crush nuts and fruits, but sometimes they are also used for fish and other invertebrates. They usually eat floating fruits and nuts that fall from trees in the Amazon. Pacu is legal to own in the United States and can be purchased from ornamental shops and easy to raise. The problem is that many aquarium owners do not realize that Pacu can grow up to 4 feet in length, which is too large for regular house aquariums. When Pacu grows more than a fish tank, many of its owners dump fish in nearby lakes. Chimera fish. Chimeras are cartilage fish in the order of Chimera, informally known as ghost sharks, or mouse fish, that are probably the oldest and most mysterious of the living fish groups. Currently close to their relatives are sharks, where it has been a shark for nearly 400 million years and has remained isolated ever since, and today it is largely confined to deep water from 200 meters. Murena fish moray or abu marina is a species of fish that follows the moray family of the eel sorority, and the Murray fish snake is one of 12 species of large sea snakes. This sex is common in the Mediterranean Sea, where it is abundantly represented in tropical and subtropical seas, especially in rocky areas or on coral reefs. In the vast majority of them, a long fin from the head extends along the back around the tail to the output opening, but all are free of pectoral and pelvic fins. The skin is smooth and does not contain sappers in many species decorated in bright and varied colors, so people mistakenly believe that these fish are snakes. It also has a wide mouth and a strong jaw armed with large, generally sharp teeth that enable the moray fish not only to capture their prey, which is mainly made up of other fish, but also inflict severe, and sometimes dangerous, wounds on its enemies. They attack people approaching their hiding places in shallow waters where they are intimidated by fishermen. At least one type of retinal moraines has an additional pharyngeal jaw inside the pharynx, which is movable and can move quickly forward to help catch the prey. Her body is generally made up of rich brown color, with large yellow spots, each containing smaller brown spots. Tigerfish. This fish is considered one of the largest fish living in fresh water and the most dangerous in the world. It has 32 sharp teeth, and its large size allows it to attack living organisms and even attack crocodiles and deadly animals, and also called Goliath fish. There are 5 types of this fish, but the largest of them on Earth live in Africa and the Congo Basin, can reach the length of 4.5 with red fins and scary teeth. It is noted that this predatory fish is never saturated, and its ability to jump from the water to the top is caught during sunrise and sunset, and prefers to rest in deep water and is protected throughout the day, using special radars that enable the observation of individual fish. It is a single species of fish that kidnaps birds while flying directly.